Welcome to Real Easy Cooking with Robert. I'm Robert. This is Eddie. Today we're going to show you the first thing you should learn how to cook, Ed. How to hard boil an egg. Take it off the stove. This is the hard part. You got to quickly remove the egg from the water. So you're watching close. Let's rinse it off. So we're getting bits of shell off of it. Do you want to eat it right now? Do you want some salt on it?
Yes.
And enjoy. Still hot in the middle.
Yes.
Flaky. The egg is cooked but not too rubbery. Done. We're covering today a meal that has been one of the staple meals of my life, frozen pizza. They're too hard when you go to eat it, so we're going to murder it. Watch out. We take a knife. What we'll do is it will allow the steam to come out the bottom of the crust, and the crust will still stay crispy, and you won't get that goopy layer. We just sprinkle some oregano on there. So the first thing we want to do is take it out, and we want to rotate it because the oven won't always cook even. Now, since it's half cooked, we want to put fresh ingredients. Like I want mushrooms on my half. And we want extra cheese too, don't we? And it cuts it right in half instantly, even through the pepperoni, through all the toppings. Cheese and nothing sticks to these. These are awesome. Alright, let's get some plates and neat this up because this looks really good because it's real easy cooking.
And done.
Today we're making real quick strawberry shortcake. It's a no-bake method. We kind of cheat. We're going to use an egg slicer to slice the strawberries up into little parts and push it through. Good job!
I chopped that strawberry.
Okay, so we're going to take our bread here, which is a cake, and we're going to cut the top off. And there's our two halves. We're going to add some sugar to it. Scoop some strawberries on. Put some whipped cream on. Done. My upside down fried egg sandwich. You ready to make those, Ed? I know you like these. Just set them in here for a few minutes. So they're upside down sandwiches because we put the egg on the thicker part of the bread. So let's start with some mayonnaise. Now they're going to be done real quick here after I flip the second one. Put it right on there. These are really good. Done. Elvis Presley's favorite sandwich. We need bacon, bread, banana, creamy peanut butter. It's kind of the hard part because you try to put the bacon in gently without touching the pan yourself because the pan's hot, you know. The trick is to sometimes warm up your peanut butter beforehand and microwave or put the whole jar in a bath of hot water, but another answer is just learn to use proper knife control. 9 slices per sandwich. They drop onto the plate real nice, don't they? Didn't have bacon on it, but it's cooked in the bacon grease. So we cook all this bacon, throw the bacon away. Because when you're the king, you don't need the bacon, you just need the grease. And we take the sandwich and we put it right in the pan. We both try something new for the first time.
Actually, yum.
Done. Actually, we're making pork chops and applesauce.
Pork chops and applesauce. Isn't that swell?
Really lean cut, so I am going to add a little more oil. Applesauce. Try a piece of pork with it. That's good. Because we're done. The first thing to make toast is you need a toaster. And today we're going to make, do you know? Toast. That's right. These are the two sides coming in there. Hold the toast nice and firm. We're using simple white bread because it'll show up best on the toaster. All right, to butter. You want to make sure the butter goes all the way to the edge. Use different knives so we don't get icky butter in it. You can buy the cinnamon sugar, and you just sprinkle it on. Cinnamon first or jelly first?
Cinnamon.
All right, grab your cinnamon toast. Together make the world's greatest sandwich ever invented. Cinnamon jelly toast. My son, the genius.
Your best sandwich ever.
Done. Today, we are covering how to boil water. Because some people mess that up. Yes, I'm talking to you, my ex-girlfriend, that boiled water and burned the pot and burned it all the way down and smoked the entire house. And you didn't think I would tell people. I hope we get 1 million viewers just so everyone knows that someone I know burned water in a pot. Boil water. Put water in a pot, and then you have to turn on the flame. Done. And this turns out to be Eddie's most favorite meal.
Macaroni and cheese!
First thing we start with is a large pot of water. Now you could measure this out, but you know, this is real easy cooking. We just pour a bunch of salt in. Good enough. This is one of those strainer things. I find it's easy just to break up the tuna with the spoon that you're mixing it with and the can of peas.
Yum! Yum! My favorite! My favorite! My favorite!
So we add a crust on it. The saltine crackers. Goes in the middle of the oven. Done.
Done!
And we're going to make, it doesn't really have a name yet, I guess. Cinnamon graham crackers are pretty good, but when I went to go buy them, I saw chocolate graham crackers. First thing that we got in the bakery department at the grocery store. Done. Good job.
I thought that somehow.
Done.